Hey guys, this is the third video of the month. And this is the second video in the Lifeboat series. I have a new character because I like her hair. And oh my god, chat. We're gonna play another game. Maybe 2 games at least. So I hope you enjoy. And I'm gonna post random stuff in the chat. And my message is put. What a pity. Let's join. Ow. Here. This is new. I have played this. I think we have no. Oh, there's someone. Barely recording. I'm gonna break his podium. And we're only 3 people. That's so lame. Oh, there are 4. I'm recording. That girl, cheesy girly gamer talk. What a pity. Then what's the team do? Just give me food. Okay. Okay. 30 seconds. Need that much. My nephew is always again because and he's playing in another SG survivals world and he keeps talking to me. Kanawa. Nice boys. Do this.
Oh my.
Get everything.
Oh.
Laro natin yan.
Okay.
Wow. Asa na si Chur? Asa na yung kakampi ko? Saan na yung kabig ko? Come on, cheesy girl again. Come on, dude. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Don't kill me. Oh, wow. First game, I died.
No way.
Well, let's play another one. Boink. Ah. That was my most noobish play. I hope you guys aren't mad at me. I will not team any. I will not team him. This is stupid.
No, I say this again. Not sure. Let's hear. My name is my.
Yes, 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 yes. There's one more. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey.
I want to team. Oh, to team me. No, everyone. Ah. Okay.
Yeah. Come on. Say yes to all Paul.
That is too cool.
No, come on. Fine. I'll join with Omar.
How do you ready? Oh my.
Let's join with Omar. Omar.
Hey, curse.
She's taking forever.
Yes.
Oh yeah, boy. I'm right beside you, boy.
And with the Minecraft.
Boy.
Oh, fun.
That's what you get, Jesus breaking. When you betray another teammate, they'll betray you. This Oma. Oma, oh my gosh. The song is stuck into my head. Miss Free. Fucking. What the hell is Panama? I hate you. Yeah! Take that.
You're starting.
Ah! Oh, nice. More food.
What's this one?
Wala. Bawal daw magganto sa... Yun, sword. Ay, pagkain. This is awesome. I'm gonna kill him first. This Panda Man. I kill Panda Man. Yeah. Time to kill Noah. Sabi daw niya pangit daw ako. Let's see about that bitch. You call me. You told me no one likes me. Get the sword, Enoch. No, come on, stop being the NPC. Hey. Stop hitting me! Oh. Login again. You guys don't know my gamer tag, so I'm not playing at all. Oh my god.
Yes.
I just said a recording. That's really stupid.
What is cool? Fish have a helicopter. Why?
It's team with Devon.
The bone and stuff. Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah. Well, this dude's smiling. I don't know what his name because I can't see it. His name is Emilio Gamer. And he's smiling. What a cutie. Are you ready? Where's my teammate?